everything is covered with sand. My water reservoir has some sand dunes. And the floor, and the beds, and the sleeping pad. That was quite a night. There are literally sand dunes. Hello people. I had a hard night today. It was super loud and the tent was shaking hard, so that it was not easy to fall asleep. I managed to do that around morning when the wind became just a little bit quieter, and I think I'm going to the cabana today. I still want to be in this place because it is just undescribable how beautiful and wild it is here. But for my tent, everything is covered with sand. And I felt like I am sand because sand is all over my face, all over my clothing here. So this is the view that I was struggling for. And it is high tide right now in the morning. And the sea has very specific smell, like the seaweeds or something. Super nice. Yeah, that is how my setup looks like right now. And for my tent, this tent is an ultralight tent, and I honestly did not expect it to survive this night, because ultralight materials are ultralight for a reason, but surprisingly it held up. So I still have these strings attached to the pull-up, and it is still here. Yeah, I had to bring huge rocks yesterday for the tent not to fly away, like these guys I was bringing from the beach, and you see them everywhere, like on everything. Yeah, this one. So yeah, the night was hard for me. My favorite breakfast again, and green tea as well. It's 11:30 in the morning, and I'm waiting for someone to wake up and let me in. I can repack my cases and just ready for this. The Baja My place to sleep tonight with no wind. This is the one. Hola. Hola. I was stuck in the sand today, and someone just helped me out. The sand was pretty deep, and that was absolutely my mistake. I stopped in the middle of riding sand, and tomorrow morning I'm leaving around 6 a.m., which is far earlier than anyone arrives here. That means that I should manage it not to stuck again. Yeah, will do my best. And the tricky part is that see the sand depth, it changes from day to day because of the strong winds that move the sand around the beach. So the place where I was stuck today, it's not defined that tomorrow the sand will be as deep there as today. Probably it will be right here where my bike is standing. So yeah, worrying a little bit. I feel like I'm in Alaska or somewhere, like in a very remote place, and today I'm absolutely alone here. No cars, no trailers, no jeeps, no one, like absolutely alone for the whole night. And for today I'm staying in cabana, and this cabana makes me feel like I'm Fyodor Konyukhov or someone like that, like it is very far north or something. It's a very special feeling, but and I made myself pretty cozy here. There are some camp lights, there are blankets. Not sure if you can see them, but yeah.